1983년 레바논. 어린 형제가 해맑게 놀고 있던 그때 그리고 시간이 흐른 현재 워싱턴 DC. 늘 책상머리에서 일하는 CIA의 분석가 잭 라이언이 출근 중입니다.
Watch it, shithead. Asshole.
덕분에 아침 회의 지각입니다.
We on Yemeni time this morning, Dr. Ryan.
No, ma'am.
라이언과 사고 날 뻔했던 그리어는 CIA 국장실로 향하는데
This is the read book that the outgoing chief T-Fed had them make for you.
It's a backwater post, Nate.
It's a second chance. Don't fuck me on this.
현장에서 잘 나가던 그리어가 좌천당에 배정받은 곳은 바로
Morning. I'm James Greer. I'm your new group chief.
하필 라이언의 부서였습니다.
We just completed our second round of analysis on SWIFT transactions based on liaison data from French and Belgian assets, sir.
Your turn, Lance Armstrong.
Jack Ryan. I work Yemen. I've been monitoring SWIFT network transactions in and around Aden. Well, actually, in the last few months, I have red flagged several of these transactions as potentially suspicious.
What's your concern?
The individual behind these transactions could be a high-level target.
Which one?
I believe his name is Suleiman.
So how come you're the only one that knows about this mystery man?
그러나 그 이름을 처음 들어본 그리어는 이 일을 그리 대수롭지 않게 생각했고
Anyone know why you got PNG back to headquarters?
Started making SAD, dipped the bullets in pig's blood.
그날 저녁 퇴근한 라이언은 전화 한 통을 받게 되는데
How are you?
Hey, Joe.
What can I do for you, Joe?
I was wondering if we could get together. There's something I'd like to talk to you about.
Come by the house on Sunday. Got a little gathering for my birthday.
Sounds good.
새벽이 되도록 라이언은 잠이 들지 못했고 그렇게 뜬 눈으로 할 일도 없고 일찌감치 출근해버립니다. 그렇게 동료들이 오기도 전에 모든 분석을 끝내버리죠.
I found something that you gotta see. These are financial transactions through an app called Track Euro. You use your cell phone.
Yeah, they were used down in Karachi before I left.
Every one of these transactions is linked to this account. This is it. We got him.
You mean Suleiman?
All I'm asking is order a demarche. Freeze the account.
You're not there yet.
9/11 cost $500,000. If he is real, what do you think he can do with 20 times that amount of money? We have to chase this down.
Is there anything else?
하지만 너무나 단호한 그리어의 태도에 라이언은 발길을 돌릴 수밖에 없었고 그 시각 시리아의 작은 시골 마을에선 한인이 아들, 딸과 함께 즐거운 시간을 보내고 있었는데
اهلا وسهلا بالشيخ رضوان.
الشيخ سليمان موجود؟
للاسف لسه ما رجع.
امتى يرجع؟
لو سمحت ما حدا بيتدخل بشغل جوزي.
يبقى معنا رجال من حلب. طلب جوزك ان تستضيفيه عندك. بس يرجع الشيخ سليمان بتقول له الشيخ رضوان وده يشوفه.
그렇게 한인의 집에 머물게 된 사람은 웬 러시아인이었는데 차를 내오던 한인은 그 러시아인이 올리브유병에 무언가를 넣는 걸 발견합니다.
Like some tea?
Thank you.
عشاء جاهز حبيباتي. يلا روحوا غسلوا ايديكم.
한편 고집불통인 그리어 대신 외교 서신을 보내려는 라이언.
You don't have the authority to write a demarche. That's
Treasury. I know.
벽에 막히자 평소 친하게 지내던 재무부의 테레사가 생각나는데
I don't know. What about Greer?
You don't work for Greer. Sad.
Okay, let's do it.
Greer.
Jim?
Pete.
My aide must have put me through to the wrong extension. I'm trying to get a hold of the T-Fed group chief.
You're talking to him. What can I do for you?
I'm calling about this demarche y'all ordered.
I didn't order a demarche.
Some Treasury officer in your shop did.
Ryan, my office now.
I told you to stand the fuck down, and you went behind my back and froze that account. What do you think he does when he finds out a state entity has frozen his bank account? Which is why we could have sat on that bank, tracked every courier who came and went, and wrapped up the whole goddamn network.
같은 시각 라이언이 동결한 예멘 계좌의 관리은행 앞에는
Bank manager's on the move. We got a meet and greet. 2 military-age males, table, north edge of the market. Guys, give me some audio on that table. Your audio is fucked. I can't hear a fucking thing.
Overwatch is in position. I have eyes on.
They're Oscar Mike.
What do you want to do?
وين المسرح الملكي؟ مسرح
Greer?
Hey, Jim. It's Pete Courtwright again.
You're not gonna believe this.
한편 라이언은 얼마 전 초대받은 조의 생일 파티에 참석합니다.
All right, so you got me down here. What is it you want to talk about?
I'm managing a new fund with potential investors out of South Korea. Very aggressive.
I left Wall Street for a reason. I'm not coming back.
I'm asking what the State Department is saying about North Korea.
Not that kind of State Department.
I'm not asking for top secret info. I'm asking which way the wind is blowing.
하지만 원칙주의자인 라이언은 그렇게 입을 닫았고
You know the problem with this self-righteous Boy Scout routine is that one day you're gonna wake up, enjoy the party.
Can I have a beer, please?
Make that too. Way to really piss off the host.
You heard that?
Just the last part. I especially liked it when he called you a self-righteous Boy Scout.
I'm Jack.
Kathy.
Oh no, you are Joe's daughter. Graduated med school?
Washington Memorial. I specialize in infectious diseases. And what about you?
State Department.
대놓고 CIA 요원이라 할 순 없으니 둘러대는데 웬 헬기가 상공에 등장합니다.
Dr. Ryan! Dr. Ryan! I'm Petty Officer Second Class Dillard with the United States Coast Guard. I need you to come with me.
그렇게 화려하게 파티장을 떠난 라이언이 도착한 곳은 그리어가 기다리고 있는 공군 기지였고
What the hell's going on? That account you froze? SAD and Yemeni PSO picked up somebody.
Suleiman?
No, a couple of couriers, they think.
Wait, you said SAD, but I didn't order any surveillance.
I did.
No, you said I wasn't there yet.
You weren't. But that doesn't mean you were wrong. Now, SAD and the Yemenis are going to run the interrogation. You're the one that knows all this financial shit, so I need you there to make sure they know what questions to ask.
그 길로 예멘 강제 출장이 시작됩니다.
Matisse, this is Dr. Ryan. Matisse! How you doing?
곧바로 체포된 이들의 신문에 나서죠.
This one here is your honcho. Bodyguard. We found that in his briefcase.
Did you say one of them had a phone?
라이언은 그들의 핸드폰을 확인하더니
Same number as the transfers.
خذوا غرفة الكبيرة.
On your feet. Let's go. Move it.
몇 시간째 조사가 이어지지만 두목은 입을 열지 않았고
ولا بعتها لمين؟ ما أعرف إيش.
Where are you going? I've been at this for hours. I need some air.
밖으로 나온 라이언은 문득 따로 조사받던 녀석의 경호원이 떠오르는데
Where do I get something to eat?
오랜 감금에 지친 듯 경호원은 음식과 물을 먹기 시작했고
Earlier when I mentioned money transfers, you looked up. You understood.
Do you do this often? Kidnapping innocent people off the street and interrogate them.
I'm an analyst.
What does that mean?
Well, it means I work behind the desk.
A bodyguard.
How'd you get those scars on your hands?
It's an old one from when I was a boy.
Have you ever heard the name Suleiman?
It's a common name here. I'm afraid you'll have to be more specific.
그때 한 무리의 남성들이 기지 앞에 도착합니다.
We have 4 more for you, my friend.
You crossed off your list.
We have a deal, right?
Okay, Monty Hall, let's make a deal. Get these old boys in the cooler till Doc can ID them.
시체를 옮겨온 병사들이 모두 떠나자 시체로 변장해 잠입한 남자는 다른 시체 뱃속에서 총을 꺼냈고 그와 동시에 웬 트럭 한 대가 기지 앞에 나타나는데
$20 says he wants more money. Oh shit!
폭발을 신호로 적의 기습이 시작되고 갑작스런 폭발음에 조사는 중지되는데
Mustafa, it's mine. Back in the room, behind the door.
Fucker's got the generator!
어두워진 틈을 타 남성이 건물 안으로 진입하고
Drop it! Where is he? No, the other one.
انتبه ورا الباب!
Shoot me. I drop this and we all die. عم بكذب. لا لا أكذب.
طوس هات المفاتيح من العسكر.
It's you. Suleiman.
경호원인 줄 알았던 남자가 바로 술레이만이었던 거죠. 잠시 뒤 전투가 한창이던 바깥에서는 기지를 공격하던 무장단체들은 구출 성공과 함께 물러나기 시작합니다. 다시 시간은 1983년. 폭격 현장에 있던 형제 중 형은 잔해에 깔려버린 동생에게 달려갑니다. 그렇게 형 술레이만은 손에 극심한 화상을 입어가며 간신히 동생을 구했고 동생 알리는 그런 형을 하늘처럼 따랐습니다. 이들이 바로 그 형제였던 거죠. 얼마 뒤 라이언과 그리어가 CIA 본부로 돌아옵니다.
Based on biometrics, DS&T have concluded with a high degree of certainty that the person we once had detained was this man. He is known to Gayer as Suleiman al-Bekka.
라이언 외에는 그 누구도 술레이만에 대해 알지 못하는 상황.
We don't have an ID on this guy, the one playing possum.
This Suleiman is ISIS.
Not ISIS.
You may recognize Dr. Ryan from this evening's installment of Jihadi Theater.
How is it you know so much about this guy, and we're hearing about him for the first time?
I was just following the money, sir. Groups like ISIS, they make most of their money from smuggling. They move that money through Hawala networks. It's all done analog, meaning the account we froze was from a European bank. It was funded by multiple transfers from phony LLCs. The money's been washed so many times, there's no way we could locate just one source.
Meaning what?
Meaning these assholes have their shit wired extremely tight.
That's not proof, Jim.
When he came to me with this Suleiman, I was skeptical too. Not anymore. I've seen firsthand the men that hit this site were coordinated, well-trained. They knew exactly where they were going and what their objective was.
Sue, I'd like to stand up a task force.
Who do you have in mind?
CTC Europe. Nate, we found this guy. This should go to TFAD.
TFAD will still follow the money.
그렇게 회의가 끝나고
What's the matter?
Nothing, I just tweaked my back there.
Get it looked at.
라이언은 가까운 병원으로 향합니다.
I see they fused your L4 to L5 vertebrae together. Given the extent of your prior surgeries, I'd say you got off pretty lucky. When the pain subsides, I'd suggest doing some core strengthening. Any questions for me?
Where's epidemiology?
라이언은 캐시가 이 병원에 있다는 걸 기억하고 있었고
Listen, I'm really sorry we didn't get more of a chance to talk at your dad's birthday party.
Yeah, that was quite some exit you made. What was the big emergency?
Contaminated shipment of romaine lettuce. Left out on a Navy dock in
I
Bethesda.
didn't know the Coast Guard picked people up for bad lettuce.
라이언이 캐시를 보러 온 이유는
What about dinner? Or give you a call?
Can I have your cell?
Yes.
성공적으로 번호 따고 돌아오는 길 그리어의 호출이 울립니다.
Suleiman's cell phone. He left it in Yemen. CCI had their eggheads trying to crack it. And an 8-digit passcode. It's not even terrorist masterminds. They picked something personal, and I got my money on you.
8자리 숫자 비밀번호를 대체 어떻게 풀라는 건지 도저히 떠오르는 게 없었고 일단 캐시에 대해 검색하기 시작합니다. 한편 예멘 해변가의 술레이만과 알리. 알리가 어디론가 향하는 배에 몸을 실었고 얼마 뒤 술레이만은 시리아에 있는 자신의 집으로 돌아오는데 술레이만의 아내 한인이 등장하고 그날 저녁 식사 시간. 남편을 사랑하는 한인은 여전히 남편이 데리고 다니는 반군들까지는 마음에 들지 않았고 다음날 공놀이를 하고 있던 한인의 첫째 딸 사라는
سارة ليش طولتي؟
شوفي حبيبتي هذا اللي سامه أنا ما رح أخلي حدا يأذيكي.
한편 라이언은 여전히 비밀번호를 풀어내려 고민 중이었는데
How's it going? 10 to the 8th power, which is 1 in 100 million. I'm great. Oh, and also after the 10th try, it locks forever and erases itself.
You gotta go with your gut. That's all you got.
Oh, I see. So you were just going with your gut in Karachi. If we're gonna work together, I have every reason to know why you got PNG'd back here.
I'll tell you about Karachi if you told me about Afghanistan. Just what I thought. My past is my business and yours is your business.
Yeah, but it's okay to use me for your little pet projects.
Whoa, back up.
No, this is ridiculous. I've been working all day on this.
The footage. Stop. There, you see that? You see how he takes the cuffs? He's no stranger to being shackled. He's done time.
We never had him. The SIM card in the phone is French. If I look into French prison records, last name Suleiman, birthplace Bekaa Valley, Lebanon.
Musa bin Suleiman.
His prison number. There were 4 numbers in the call log of Suleiman's phone.
We geolocated all of them. They're all in Paris. TDY us to Paris. We'll grab this asshole and be back before dinner.
I tasked CTC Europe to carry the water on this. Dr. Ryan, you found him. What do you want to do?
I think Greer and I should go, sir.
그날 밤 프랑스 파리에선 한 노신부가 거리를 걷고 있었는데 다음날 파리의 한 카페에선 알리에게 누군가 다가옵니다. 돈을 건넨 알리는 자리를 떠나고 얼마 뒤 라이언과 그리어가 파리에 도착합니다.
Captain Sandrine Arnaud? We've been tracking the cell number you gave us. There were 7 more calls to the same apartment. This Suleiman, you said he was from France. Is he planning something here?
He came here to pick up the cash and try to transfer it back to his cells, most likely using an app called Trackero.
It allows you to load money onto SIM cards, transfer via cell phone, $10,000 increments.
알리는 몰래 사들인 심카드를 이용해 술레이만에게 돈을 보내고 있었고 그런 알리의 아파트에 프랑스 경찰과 라이언 일행이 도착합니다.
Je vais te rappeler. Allez.
그리고 경찰들이 문 앞에 다다른 그 순간 중상을 입은 알리는 창 밖으로 달아나고 한편 부상자를 후송하던 라이언. 빗자국을 본 라이언은 알리를 발견하고 라이언이 눈앞에 알리를 조준한 그 순간 결국 알리는 놓치고 민간인 피해까지 크게 발생한 상황.
We're using Trackero.
That explains the extra manpower. We sent units to check the train, but we didn't find him. We found his telephone in a trash can along with a bloody shirt.
아르노 경감은 술레이만의 프랑스 교도소 복역 기록을 보여줬고
In 23 months, he only had one visitor, his brother, Ali bin Suleiman.
Wait, that's him. That's the man I chased.
The address he used to sign into visitation is in the 93. We can arrange a team and be there in less than an hour.
그 시각 93지역의 한 아파트에 있는 알리.
Tu as de la chance, tu sais. Pas dépasser à quelques centimètres de ton pancréas. J'imagine que tu dois avoir une bonne raison de venir ici au lieu d'aller à l'hôpital. Il faut que je te montre quelque chose. Tu te souviens?
이 의사는 술레이만과 알리가 고아가 되어 프랑스에 왔을 때 이들을 거둬준 은인이었죠. 잠시 후 라이언 일행이 93지역으로 향합니다.
How does it happen to somebody like him? I mean, he graduates from the University of Paris-Dauphine, degree in business, top 5% of his class.
You think a piece of paper changes the way the world sees you?
무사.
술레이만은 명문대에서 경영학을 전공한 수재였지만 차별 때문에 최종 면접에서 번번이 낙방해왔고
راسكن يا من ايه بشو بدك تكسر له راسهم
هيدا مين اعطاك اياها هاي؟ حليم
هيدا مش لعبه
يا خيي انت شو بدك بهالاشياء؟ انت بس انت اللي حتطلعنا من هون وانت اللي عندك الشهاده وانت الذكي
لازم تشوفهم كيف لما رحت على الانترفيو اليوم خلصت المقابله قبل قاعد على الكرسي اخوات المنيوك
دبوك
경찰의 이유 없는 불씨 검문도 일상이었죠. 하필 동생이 총을 들고 있어 걱정이 됐던 술레이만은 그렇게 교도소로 들어간 술레이만은 완전히 흑화해버리고 맙니다.
السلام عليكم هيدا مش عاجبك شكلي
شو عملوا فيك؟
للقصة اني تعرفت على بعض الاخوة هون بالسجن والحمد لله
هذاك عن شو عم تحكي؟
من وقت اللي اهلنا انقتلوا ولا مرة حسيت اني بنتمي لمطرح مثل هيدا. انا بدي كل مسلم ان شاء الله بيهديه تيحس بالانتماء. كل شي راح يتغير بس يطلع من هون.
친부모의 죽음에 대한 복수심이 세상의 차별과 멸시와 만나 그에게 극단적인 사상의 길을 열어준 거죠.
We have an entire generation of Muslims living here who have no jobs, no prospects.
그 시각 한이는 술레이만의 눈을 피해 삼촌 파티를 만났고
عن جد عمو شكرا.
هدول مش عليك ومش على الاولاد.
أنا ما رح أنسى لك هالمعروف بحياتي.
잠시 후 집에 돌아온 한이는 병 속에 여권을 숨겨두죠. 한편 알리는 웬 게임을 켜고 있는데
عجب الشيخ.
شو في؟ سأل وين هو؟
그 시각 93지역의 한 이슬람 사원에 도착한 라이언 일행.
네, 셋동.
تعرف شو؟ تعرف؟
Au revoir.
알리는 접선 장소로 떠날 준비를 하고
Pardon, s'il vous plaît. Connais tout?
Non.
C'est bon, mon fils. T'es pas dans le trouble. C'est important. Dis-moi la vérité. Connais tout cet homme.
그렇게 의사의 집을 기습하는데
Quand il a débarqué chez moi en sang, ça faisait des années que je l'avais pas laissé mourir devant ma porte.
On sait que tu l'as aidé.
Lui et son frère.
J'ai pas envie de jouer à ton
Ok,
jeu.
ok, c'est bon, c'est bon.
They don't like this game. Were you playing this game before?
L'homme qui était ici.
The man was here.
On sait qu'il utilisait le jeu pour entrer en contact avec son groupe. On sait qu'ils lui ont dit d'aller à un point de
Je vous l'ai
rendez-vous.
dit déjà. Je ne sais pas où il est allé.
Et si tu continues de protéger Ali, je vais devoir t'arrêter.
Il a dit qu'il avait juste besoin d'une voiture. Alors, je lui ai donné la mienne.
We use the VIN number to access the GPS unit in the car. We're getting units in place to intercept.
Shouldn't we follow him, see where he's going?
We track him, he might lead us back to his cell.
We follow him, but he doesn't cross the border.
You ride with her.
한편 가족들과 보드게임을 하던 술레이만은
أنا حكيت لكم كيف طلبت إيد الماما للزواج؟
قال لي بابا.
كنت بطريق الرجعة على البيت من حرب الرمادي بالعراق ضد الغزاة والمحتلين. تعطلت سيارتي بنص الصحراء، ما بلاقي إلا هالزلمة ومعه كميون. وقف مقابلي وطلعني معه وعزمني على العشاء. وشفت هالصبية الحلوة جاي ومعها طنجرة شوربة. تاني يوم أخذت أمكن وطلعتها برات الضيعة وتجوزتها. بس هلا بعد في بيناتنا أسرار.
그러더니 병으로 가 한인이 숨겨둔 여권을 꺼냅니다.
ما رح نخبي عن بعض أي شيء.
그날 밤 한이는 돈 될 만한 걸 급히 챙기고
كفي اختك وحضرتي هذا 3 ايام الك ولاختك. ماما شوفي حبيبي رايحين مشوار حبيبي لازم نروح هلا. وين بابا؟ البابا ما رح يجي معنا هلا. يلا البس ثيابك. لا بدون بابا تلبس ثيابك. ما فيك تجبريني. سمير مامي الله يخليك. سمير ماما.
아들 사미르는 술레이만을 깨우러 달려갔고
هو رح يكون بأمان هون. يلا حبيبتي.
결국 한이는 두 딸만 데리고 달아나기 시작하는데
انتي بتعرفي كيف تسوقي؟ ايه علمني عمو فتحي.
عن إذنكم يا إخوان. فتحي.
نعم يا شيخ.
كيف هيك شيء بيصير من غير علمك؟
صدقني ما
أنا
بعرف.
أمنتك على بيتي. أنت خالة بتروح بتقول لك كلمتين وبترجعها على البيت.
مفهوم يا شيخ.
يلا روح. يزيد.
نعم شيخ.
روح معه.
بس يا شيخ
ولا بس ولا شيء، رجعنا على البيت هلا.
عمرك شيخ. عمرك يا شيخ.
몇 시간 뒤 시리아와 터키 국경지대 한인의 차가 퍼져버렸습니다.
في مدينة قريبة رح نمشي.
한편 미국 네바다주의 공군기지에서는 무인기 조종사 빅터가 임무를 수행하고 있는데 빅터가 감시하던 마을로 한인과 두 딸이 들어옵니다.
نشوفه مع التاكسي. قديش بدك للحدود؟
그때 한인의 뒤를 쫓은 야지드가 도착하고 큰딸 사라가 그를 발견하는데
يلا يلا امشي.
Where'd this guy come from? Silver Nissan. Never seen it in this area before.
Okay, get him. Who's he looking for? Drop his picture in the Merc chat, see what I can get.
Copy that.
لازم نروح يزيد الفتح هون. يلا يلا روح.
تعال.
What the hell's he doing?
Abbas Al-Fati. He's POI, but he's surveillance only.
This ain't good.
Sir, we got a situation over here. Look at this shit.
God damn.
Are they in the target there?
اديني شوية وقت خليني اعرف كيف بدي اخلص من هذا الكلب.
اوصى ولا جوزي انه انا اللي اوصى.
한인의 삼촌을 살해한 야지드는 한인을 끌고 으슥한 곳으로 향했고
Okay, well there you have it. There's nothing you can do.
We're just gonna watch these girls get robbed or raped or worse.
You could run this up the chain of command before you shoot me down.
Okay. Yeah, this is Captain Whitmore over at Creech. We have a POI, Abbas Al-Fati. He just got shot by an unknown military-aged male. Looks like he's now about to rape a female villager. Request permission to engage.
Sir, I've got a shot.
Stand down.
We gotta do something.
You do not have authorization to take that shot. Do you hear me? Acknowledge my fucking order.
하지만 이를 두고 볼 수 없었던 빅터는
Boy, you just disobeyed a direct order and you broke the rules of engagement. Tombstone, you are relieved of your post.
극적으로 살아남은 한이는 딸들과 함께 터키 국경으로 질주하죠. 한편 알리의 차량을 추격 중인 라이언과 아르노 경감.
So, Dr. Ryan, do you have a woman in your life?
Well, we haven't actually gone on a date yet.
Dexter, ask her out.
Hey. Hey, sorry, I didn't mean to startle you.
No, you didn't.
Those Ebola cultures just came in from the field, from that new patient in Liberia they just discovered.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
다음날 시리아의 술레이만은 뉴스를 보고 있습니다.
Still no word on the whereabouts of 12 doctors and aid workers. The doctors were part of a multinational aid organization in...
술레이만은 곧바로 지역 군벌인 라두안에게 향하고
جعت من السفر.
في شي مطرح نحكي فيه عن انفراد؟
تفضل.
رح اشتري شغله مصريه.
그곳엔 뉴스에서 본 실종된 의사들이 붙잡혀 있었죠.
لا مفكر انه هو إلك؟ انا سمعت انه رجالك صار لهم شهور منهم قابضين، فقلت لحالي تيجي هون صحح هالشي.
فكر انك تقدر تشتري رجالي؟ هاي مسخره. انزعوا سلاحهم.
그렇게 술레이만은 납치된 의사들과 군벌 라드완을 끌고 왔고 잠시 후 의사들을 다시 감금하고는
خذوه حطوه جوا مع الأسرى. إخوتي بالله إذا منحتموني ثقتكم أقسم لكم أننا سنعيش تحت سقف الإسلام، سنعيد للإسلام مجده. تكبير! تكبير!
라이언과 아르노는 여전히 긴 추적을 이어갑니다. 총상을 입은 알리는 기름까지 떨어진 상황인데
Do you see him?
It's too dark. The visibility sucks. There's something coming up. What is that? Is that a hotel?
Ski resort. We need gas and cigarettes.
라이언 일행은 주유소로 향합니다.
Did she text you back?
No, not yet.
Doctors are busy.
그러는 사이 그리어와 아르노의 동료는 문제의 리조트로 향합니다.
That's his vehicle.
하지만 차에는 아무도 없었고
Wait. The tracks are fresh. You switch vehicles.
그때 주유소에서 눈 쌓인 차를 발견한 라이언. 총알이 떨어진 알리는 도망가기 시작하고
Hey! Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance!
Go, follow him.
그렇게 아르노를 두고 알리를 뒤쫓기 시작합니다.
Where's the attack?
알리는 끝내 입을 열지 않은 채 숨을 거두고 말죠. 아르노 역시 운명을 달리했습니다. 라이언과 그리어는 소득 없이 복귀합니다.
Hey Ryan, don't take it home with you. Get laid, get drunk. Just don't go home and think.
얼마 뒤 집에 돌아온 잭에게 도착한 문자.
I'm really glad we did this tonight.
It was either you or Ebola culture. So what exactly does State Department supply chain logistician do?
당연히 정체를 밝힐 순 없었습니다.
Well, this is me.
It's okay. I'd love to call you again.
Or you could just come up now.
그렇게 두 사람은 더욱 가까워집니다. 다음날 파리에서는 며칠 전 죽은 노 신부의 장례식이 열리고 있습니다.
Que ton règne vienne nous aujourd'hui notre France comme nous pardonnons.
밖으로 나온 이들은 성당 문을 밖에서 걸어 잠궜고
Nous avons été sauvés. Sois miséricordieux.
갑자기 퍼지는 가스에 성당 안은 아수라장이 되기 시작합니다.
This devastating and brazen attack on innocent Parisians.
Claiming responsibility for the assault is a Lebanese-born Syrian.
Musa bin Suleiman. This morning, he released the following video.
I regret the death of children and women. Our children die every day. Paris was only the beginning.
It's smart, sophisticated propaganda, inspiring jihadi youth. And this last one is a call to arms for all Muslims around the world.
Fucking psychopath. No, that's what he wants you to believe. So you would react to him emotionally.
Could have stopped it. Ali Soleimani wasn't just in Paris for the wire transfer, he was in Paris for this. And if I hadn't shot him,
Blaming yourself for this, that's irrational too. Not to mention narcissistic.
한편 한인과 두 딸은 무사히 국경을 넘어 터키에 도착합니다. 하지만
تركيا لم تعد قادرة على استقبال اللاجئين بعد الآن بعدما حدث في باريس. هذا هو رقم الخيمة التي سوف تنامين فيها.
그곳에서 한이는 남편이 벌인 파리 사건에 대해 알게 되죠.
أن تعودوا إلى دياركم. أسألكم عودوا إلى دياركم.
그 시각 파리 사건 관련 자료를 살펴보던 라이언은
he set it up.
Set what up?
They attacked the church during a funeral service for a Catholic priest, stabbed to death in a mugging 3 days prior. The attack happened on a weekday. That church should have been empty. How did he know that it would be filled with other priests and dignitaries? Because he researched his target.
그날 오후 긴급 회의가 소집됩니다.
Answer today of the Chechen War, highly proficient in explosives and chemical weapons. The other guy here, we're still trying to ID him, and we're working with DGSI on that.
So I'm going to suggest to the president we let the French handle this.
This guy's made it clear that the West is his enemy.
그 순간 사건 자료에 찍힌 알리의 게임 화면을 본 라이언은
The game. When we were in Paris, we uncovered correspondence between Suleiman and his brother Ali. They were using a video game system's online messaging app. Suleiman told Ali if he got out of Paris, he would send help. So if we use the same video game system to contact Suleiman, we can just pretend that we're Ali.
I'm just gonna need a presidential binding, but you just proceed as if you've got one, okay?
한편 술레이만은 서구 사회를 공격할 군대를 키워나가고 있었는데
Today أبو الرجالة مستنيين عمرك. لو طولنا عليهم
نحن حننطر خي. في شي أخبار عن مرتي وبناتي؟
لسه ما سمعنا شيء خبر يزيد.
شوفوا شو
الله أكبر.
حاليا مطاردة واسعة النطاق في جبال الألود الإيطالي في عملية تفجير كنيسة في باريس.
I'm watching it now. Okay, I understand. Now do it.
نسيك شوي.
두다예프에게 뭔가 지시한 술레이만은 납치된 의사들 중 한 명을 불러내는데
Dr. Daniel Nadler. How are your people doing?
Dehydration's a problem. Nutrition?
Make a list of all you need, and I'll make sure you get it.
How long's your son been a diabetic?
Excuse me?
The reason that I ask is because there is a rare form of diabetes that is congenital. It's much easier to treat. It can be treated by an oral medic. I'd be happy to run some tests if you like.
That's generous of you. You will get your supplies, doctor.
그 시각 한이는 난민 캠프의 미국 정부 관계자를 찾아가고
We seek political asylum.
Visas are extremely hard to come by. They're reserved for people with special circumstances or people who can provide valuable information to the U.S. government.
My husband, Musa bin Suleiman. The attack in Paris, the video.
Where's your husband now?
I can't tell you that. My son is with him. I can't put my son in danger.
If you can't give me more specific information, how am I supposed to believe you?
Sorry, I shouldn't have come.
A woman who says she's her good friend's wife.
Would she have proof?
She wouldn't say. Protect her son. Apparently he's still with the father.
Okay, listen. Tell him to find her, okay? Get her to talk.
자리를 박차고 나온 한이는 누군가를 찾아가는데
بدنا نروح أوروبا أنا وبناتي.
راح تكلفك كتير. بس واحد منكم.
عندي بنتين صغار.
لكن بس يكون عندك مصاري أكثر أهلا وسهلا.
라이언은 계획대로 게임 메시지를 이용하려 합니다.
DGSI is on site in Chamonix, ready to move in if Suleiman sends anyone for his brother.
Vous êtes prêts les gars, ça arrive dans 10 minutes. En position.
Ali?
Okay.
라이언은 프랑스 정보국이 대기 중인 위치를 알려주고
وهي دليل ان ده علي اللي بكلمنا. بدور على الاي بي ادرس. شاموني فرنسا.
Get ready, يلا يلا.
장소로 부하들을 보낸 술레이만은 잠시 고민하더니
Shit, who's got this?
That imagery right now.
مظبوط.
about it.
Wait a minute, why isn't he signing off?
Well, maybe he's waiting for you.
This is some kind of test.
Shit. Fuck.
All right, shut it down.
Over.
He knows no one's coming.
Ryan, what are you doing?
I said shut it down, Ryan.
Jesus Christ, he knows who you are.
Jack.
Where the fuck is Haneen?
Just wait a minute. He's onto something.
What the fuck just happened?
If it wasn't true, he would have denied it.
Ryan, denied what?
There's a woman in a Turkish refugee camp who claims she's his wife.
Find her.
그러는 사이 브로커에게 금을 건넨 한이는 유럽으로 가려는 중이었고 브로커에게 누군가 찾아옵니다.
المرأة والطفلتين أين هما؟
다음날 라이언과 그리어가 터키에 도착합니다.
Where are we with the target?
Got an asset. Guy's number 3 in the Demir family.
They run the smuggling out from the camp?
No, they run sex trafficking and dope.
잠시 뒤 정보원에게 다다릅니다.
The woman we need to find. She and her daughters were staying in a camp outside of Hassa. They were smuggled out last night. We need to know where they are now.
Your friend is all business.
Well, of course, we'll pay you for the information.
The smugglers take them to the coast. It's a hard journey,
Where?
It's changing every couple of weeks. They have to avoid the police, pay them off. I can make a phone call.
I'll give you 10,000 now and 10,000 when we locate the woman.
25,000 now, 25,000 when you find the woman.
15,000 now and 20,000 when we recover the woman.
라이언은 이딴 놈에게 돈을 주고 정보를 사는 게 꺼려졌지만
Now just follow along, watch and learn.
그 시각 한인이 탄 트럭이 어디엔가 멈춰섭니다.
15 دقيقة الوقفة القادمة الظهر الهمبرجر هناك
딸들과 함께 화장실로 향합니다.
روحي هون.
اتعب نية بس اللحمة 50.
탈출을 코앞에 두고 다시 달아나기 시작합니다.
Get a chance to look at those data sets I sent over.
한편 캐시는 에볼라에 걸린 환자의 데이터를 살펴보고 있었는데
It matches EVD-27,
Which was eradicated.
which I did.
Thanks for taking the time to get back to me.
I got some pretty interesting news. I went down to see Samuel Adiki, the Ebola index patient we sent over to you. And if you're wondering how he got EVD-27...
What happened?
Samuel's uncle was the guard at a WHO cemetery where all the EVD-27 victims were buried. 6 months, 2 foreign men show up. They offer his uncle $500 to help them dig up a body. Samuel jumps in. He replaces him.
6개월 전 라이베리아에선 두 남자가 묘지를 파고 있었습니다.
Samuel, you can go back.
묘지를 팠다던 두 남자는 다름 아닌 술레이만과 알리.
Two guys who are Middle Eastern.
What do they want that body for?
No idea.
한참을 고민하던 캐시는 정부 측의 에볼라 바이러스가 다시 확산될 수 있다는 긴급 메일을 전송하고
You know this stench? They all drive Toyotas, just like this.
라이언 일행은 정보원과 함께 한인이 탔던 트럭을 쫓아가고 있는데
There was an incident at the stop where they refuel the trucks before they go to the coast. It may have involved your woman.
트럭이 잠시 멈췄던 그곳에 도착한 세 사람은 돈을 주고 정보를 얻어내죠.
She and her daughters were here. A man arrived. Followed them into the latrine. Your woman attacked him. She and her children left on foot.
What do you mean attacked him?
He says she hit him on the head with a rock. He fell into the shit pit.
So what happened to him? The guy in the shitter.
He cleaned up and is driving to the coast. Shit. Before the boats go out. Let's go.
하지만 갈 길이 급한 지금 문제가 생기는데
I swear this gate is new.
Is there another way?
Not if you want to make it to the coast before the man who was chasing your woman. Let's take care of this.
He's just milking us for more money.
So we'll pay it.
What the fuck happened? He shoot at me.
Why?
He wanted money.
So why didn't you pay them?
I can't have them push me into paying unreasonable amounts.
결국 참아온 라이언이 폭발합니다.
Shut this shit up! We don't have prophets here. You can't get anything done in a place like this without a local.
그 사이 걸어서 해안가에 도착한 한인과 딸들은 이제 구명조끼를 입고 밀항할 보트에 오르기 위해 준비합니다.
نعم يا يزيد.
لقيتهم في المخيم اللي على البحر في تركيا يا شيخ.
وش تحب ندير؟ رجع بناتها البيت.
وزوجتك؟
لا تخليهم يشوفوا.
تمام شيخ.
그와 동시에 라이언도 해안가에 도착하지만 이미 한인과 딸들은 술레이만의 부하들에게 끌려가고 있었는데
شكرا.
Put your weapons down. Put your weapons down. Benim kim olduğumu biliyorsun. O zaman çok iyi düşün.
Tabii ki.
Kadını ve çocukları bize verin, parasını alırsın.
야지드는 밀항선의 두목과 협상을 하기 시작합니다.
They will give you the woman, but not the children.
No way.
그러자 그리어는
Okay. What are you doing? You better put your gun down before you get shot. She's not gonna help us if we let them take her kids. Just put your weapon down.
결국 라이언은 총구를 내리고
Relax, amına koyayım. Relax. Put the weapons down. خلاص. Relax. It's just friends here. Just friends.
내릴 silahları.
그리어의 기만술로 상황이 종료됩니다. 그렇게 한인과 딸들은 가까운 미군 기지로 이송되죠.
We've cleared you to fly to the U.S., but if you don't help me, you and your daughters cannot stay.
Help how?
I need to know what your husband's plans are.
I don't know his plans.
But you do know where he is.
한인은 잠시 주저하더니
I know you left him behind, and I'm gonna do everything I can to get him back for you, but you have to show me where he is.
I want your word you will get him back.
I can't do that, but I'm the best chance you have. I got it. I got the location.
It's good. Sit down. You want to know what happened to me in Karachi? I was going after an asset. Had it all teed up. I knew that he had money problems, a bad marriage, so we meet in a tea house. But the guy is nervous as a cat. In the middle of the talk, he changes his mind. He wants to throw me in a Pakistani prison where I'm going to spend the next 10 years. So I stabbed him, and he died right at the table. Publicly, the Pakistanis said he died of a heart attack, but privately, to our government, they were fucking livid, as were certain other persons on the 7th floor. So they PNG'd me back to headquarters. There is no version of this job that doesn't require compromise.
I don't believe that. I believe you can make a difference.
I know you do, because once a long time ago, I used to believe the same fucking thing.
CIA 본부에서도 술레이만의 위치를 보고받습니다.
You get the wife set up?
Yeah. We're still waiting for visual confirmation that Suleiman is on site. JSOC is working up an assault plan.
Based on drone reconnaissance, we believe there are 36 occupants.
Let's cut to the quick here, Sue. Is Elvis in the building or not?
Moderate to high. Second Mu is on alert in the Red Sea. All we have to do is redirect him to the Persian Gulf, get a squadron of F-18s within striking distance of that compound before breakfast tomorrow.
Ground assault.
하지만 라이언은 아들을 구하겠다는 약속을 지켜야 했고
An airstrike may very well kill Suleiman, but you will not neutralize the threat to the United States and to its allies. This is an international organization. Sir, you drop a bomb and we lose all vital intelligence on his larger operations.
I believe Dr. Ryan has made his position very clear.
그 시각 술레이만은 아들 사미르를 불러냅니다.
حياتك حيرجع على البيت بس امك ما حترجع معه.
شو قصدك؟
لا تعيش برا عند الاعداء. الاعداء قتلوها لامك. راح انتقم من كل يلي لعبوا بحقها.
아직 어린 사미르는 엄마가 죽었다는 말을 받아들이기 힘들었고 얼마 뒤 술레이만은 의사들의 대표 네들러를 호출하는데
You wanted to see me.
I have something for you.
네들러가 부탁했던 약품들이었습니다.
Okay. Everybody take one of each and pass them around.
네덜러는 자신들을 납치한 라드완에게도 약을 건네죠.
What are you doing? He's the reason we're here in the first place.
As long as we have breath in our lungs, doctors first.
한편 연구실의 캐시에게 군인 2명이 찾아오는데
We'd like to ask you some questions regarding a cable you sent about an Ebola containment breach.
Right now.
What? What's up?
What's up? This photo was taken at a private airfield in Azerbaijan 6 months ago.
They took a body from Liberia to Azerbaijan?
USAMRIID asked CTC Africa to send a rep to an emergency brief discussing an Ebola-infected corpse went missing from Liberia.
Well, when's that brief?
20 minutes.
Right now, we do not have an effective treatment for EVD 27.
James Greer. Jack Ryan, CIA.
지금까지 거짓말을 들켜버렸습니다.
Do you recognize either of these two men?
This is the man from the video from the attack in Paris.
Dr. Mueller, we believe that the body you reported missing was stolen by these two men and flown by private plane to Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan?
The Caucasus region is notorious for Soviet scientist defectors creating bioweapons to be sold on the black market.
Doctor, what we're asking is it possible that these two men found a way to weaponize Ebola?
Yes, it's possible.
I'm not allowed to say that I was in Yemen hunting an international terrorist.
You could have said anything. You could have said you work for the government, but you can't actually tell me what you really do. Something simple. Good luck, Jack.
그 시각 미국 볼티모어 항구에 술레이만의 부하 둘이 들어옵니다. 프리패스였죠. 미리 보내둔 화물을 찾은 두 사람은 이미 수십 번 훈련한 듯 능숙하게 방호복을 꺼내 입고는
لا شو؟ مكسر اتركه
한인과 두 딸은 CIA의 안전가옥에서 지내고 있었습니다.
Brought some gifts and stuff for the girls.
Thank you.
Is this the one you wanted?
Director's brief. Starts in 45 minutes. Wear a tie. Nice tie, Winklevoss.
Wow, so this is what you think is funny.
He's ready.
Going live in 3, 2, 1.
Morning, Mr. President.
President. Thank you, everyone, for coming in.
곧 술레이만에 관한 보고가 시작됩니다.
I'd say that's definitive.
Mr. President, we have confirmed it is Suleiman. There is, however, Mr. President, a significant new development.
Who are they?
We have identified a dozen hostages being held at the compound.
We have high confidence that they have 12 physicians from Doctors Without Borders
who went missing near Aleppo 17 weeks ago. 4 of them are American.
Including Dr. Daniel Nadler.
대통령의 얼굴빛이 급격히 어두워집니다.
Nadler and POTUS served in Nam together. You sure that's Daniel?
Yes, Mr. President.
What would you like us to do, Mr. President?
I'm told there's a ground element ready to deploy.
Yes, sir.
Let's bring them home.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Mr. President.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
There is an 11-year-old boy also at the compound. Suleiman's son. Sir, we never would have found this compound if it wasn't for the wife's cooperation.
Okay. So the rescue team, there are 13 hostages to bring home.
Yes, Mr. President.
그 시각 선물 받은 게임기로 동생과 같이 하던 게임을 켠 사라. 엄마가 살아있다는 소식에 사미르는 기뻐하고 아들이 자는 모습을 보던 술레이만의 눈에 개인기가 들어오는데 메시지를 들켜버리고 맙니다.
Alright, here we go, everybody. Feeds up.
그날 새벽 특수부대가 술레이만의 거처에 침투합니다.
Exterior courtyard empty. Going internal. Covenant, this is Kilo Actual. Interior courtyard empty. Clear, clear. Moving to target bedroom. Open! Pushing left! Covenant, this is Kilo Actual. We got a dry hole here. Over.
There's no one fucking here.
He knew we were coming.
Covenant, how's hotel team doing on the hostages?
Breach her up.
Up against the wall. We're Americans. Push left.
Clear.
Captain, over here.
There's a tunnel under the compound. Can't really tell which way it goes, but there's lots of ways out.
다행히 의사들은 무사히 구출되고
He's one of them.
Hostages secured. Street traffic and traveling 12 packs.
What about the boy?
Kilo Actual. Any sign of the boy?
It's a negative on the boy. He ain't here either.
인질들을 태운 헬기는 무사히 귀환하지만 3일을 구하지 못한 라이언은 고뇌하는데
We crushed his support network and the son of a bitch is on a run.
You know that going after that kid was the right call.
What makes you think this boy can still be saved? When his mother and sisters fled, he stayed. He chose to stay. He chose his father.
같은 시각 시리아와 터키의 국경지대.
You made it.
Yeah.
술레이만은 준비된 차량에 사미로와 함께 탑승하고
Спасибо.
Не за что.
캐나다 여권을 전달받죠.
Поехали.
Hi.
Wasn't sure you'd come.
라이언은 캐시와 화해하기 위한 자리를 마련했습니다.
What did you want to talk to me about?
Look, Kathy, I think you like me, and I like you. There's something here, right? Can we just start with that? The rest of it we'll just figure out as we go.
You make a compelling argument.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
그 사이 그리어와 팀원들은 술레이만의 은신처에서 나온 자료들을 분석하고 있었는데
Huh, that's weird.
What's weird?
He gave him vitamins.
Just because you're an international terrorist doesn't mean you have to stop caring.
Some of the shredded material from the compound.
Those poor people.
라이언에게 그리어의 전화가 걸려옵니다.
We found a clipping of the president and Nadler.
Suleiman knew they knew each other? And he knew the president would send for them. Holy shit. It's the hostages.
He's not building a biological weapon. They are the weapon.
This was never about killing a president.
Being told that the president is not returning to the White House, but is being moved to an.
술레이만을 막지 못했다는 죄책감이 라이언을 집어삼키고
What woke you up?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Helicopter crash. When I was in the Marines, there was this kid, Saeem. He lived in a village in the Korengal that we were patrolling. He'd take your picture, and then he'd charge you $10 for it. We were extracting this family they marked as collaborators by the Taliban. And Saeem just kept begging me to take him with us. He was an orphan, so someplace away from all this shit, and at least that's what he said. It's my decision to put him on the helo. You took it down. It's all my Marines, all those people I was just trying to save, ended up dead because of me.
Jack. Thanks.
얼마 뒤 미국 버지니아의 한 공항.
What brings you into the United States?
My son's here for a medical procedure at Johns Hopkins.
Primary, biliary...
Atresia.
술레이만은 아들의 병을 이용해 미국 입국 심사를 통과합니다. 네들러가 아들을 치료해 주려던 걸 거절한 것도 이 때문이었죠.
Welcome to the United States.
Thank you so much.
그와 동시에 볼티모어의 항구에서는
Early this morning, a Maryland dock worker checked himself into the ER. He was suffering from acute radiation poisoning. We traced the contamination back to a cargo container.
We went back through all the video, which is how we found these two.
In terms of casualties, what are we talking about here?
And kill thousands. Potentially hundreds of thousands.
This is the cargo manifest they used from the container to ship the cesium.
Wait a minute. How much cesium would you need to have the fallout you're talking about?
50, 60 kilograms?
Doesn't that look small to you?
You'd need nearly 5, 10 times that much.
What if he's not trying to kill thousands of people?
What do you mean?
In Paris, Suleiman killed that priest, but he used the death to get everyone into the church, and that's when he attacked. It was a multi-step process. What if this is the same thing?
What does Ebola have to do with cesium?
I don't know yet.
그 시각 대통령은 캐시가 일하는 병원에서 에볼라 바이러스를 치료하고 있었는데
How is Daniel?
He's not much better, but he's not worse, which is a good thing.
It's remote detonated. The number's already programmed into the phone. All you have to do is select it and hit send. Ventilation ducts will do the rest.
How will my message resonate with those we wish to inspire if I'm not prepared to take the same risks? Samir? auditionat توديهم جوا.
Take a look at this photo. Let me know if it jogs your memory.
What about my son? You promised me you'd find Samir. My son doesn't matter to you.
That is not true. He knew we were coming, and I don't know how he knew that. But he did.
Warned him? I don't know what my husband is planning. I can't help you.
같은 시각 병원 근처 피자 가게를 찾은 술레이만의 부하. 한 가방을 내려놓은 그는 곧 가게를 떠나고
Just blew up in Georgetown.
Nest is on site at the pizzeria and saying that the bomb was just straight up plastic explosives.
All right, thank you. No cesium.
Where are these ambulances going anyway? Where's the nearest hospital?
Washington Memorial. Why?
That's where the president is. Turn the car around.
What?
Turn the goddamn car around. Kathy, it's Jack. If you're still at the hospital, you gotta call me as soon as you get this message, all right?
이미 술레이만은 구급대원으로 위장해 병원에 도착했고
Guys, trauma base back this way.
These two didn't make it. We're taking them downstairs to the morgue.
Can I help you guys?
라이언은 급히 병원으로 달려가 경호팀에게 상황을 전달하죠.
I need to get him ready to move. I'll deploy my guys to search the hospital.
But what can we do?
Help with the search.
شباب بآخر الكوريدور ناخد على الشمال 20 متر.
هلا انت متاكد انه هيدا هو المكان؟
دخل السيزيوم في الفنت ده كان هيوصل عند الرئيس وجناح الحجر الصحي الحكومي في 30 ثانيه. حطيت الموبايل المفجر مع نظام المستشفى. خليك بس تدوس على سنتر.
طيب.
Your phone's not gonna work. The minute the Secret Service gets a credible bomb threat, they jam all the public cell service and RF in the area to prevent remote detonation. You take these. I'll take the ones down at the end of the hall.
What's going on?
Evacuating the prisoners. General Evac has to wait. Go back to your office.
This is an emergency evacuation. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately. Proceed to the nearest exit.
Buckeye en route.
وين بابا؟ ليش ماما اجا؟ سمير خلص.
그때 사미르가 탄 차량 앞으로 경찰차가 접근하고
Dispatch, this is 3 Romeo Baker. Do you have a description on those suspects? Over.
Hey, what's going on?
Just keep moving until you get outside. It's all right. You're all right.
한편 병원을 수색하던 라이언.
Okay. Where'd he go?
Down there.
شو المشكلة؟ عم يشتغل. صار مسكرين الشبكة بهالمنطقة. خلينا نبعد شوي بركي لقط.
بابا! Multiple suspects, all are Middle Eastern military age males.
Stop right there.
라이언은 사미르의 눈이 향한 방향을 읽어내고 술레이만은 인파가 몰린 지하철로 향합니다. 도저히 술레이만을 분간할 수 없는 그 순간 라이언은 그렇게 술레이만은 사살당하지만 부하 한 놈은 결국 놓치고 말았죠. 그리고 며칠 뒤 약속대로 라이언은 한인에게 아들을 돌려주었고
You were right not to give up on him. We'll see.
달아난 한 놈은 마티스가 처리합니다.
So you gonna make me guess?
Moscow, Deputy Chief of Station. So what about you?
Here. You were great at this nerd shit. Is that it?
I went to pray the other day for the first time in a long time, and I was struck by the words of the prophet. No man is a true believer unless he desires for his brother that which he desires for himself. See you around, bright boy.
As I'm sure you've heard, Greer's getting transferred.
Absolutely.
So the reason I wanted to see you is obviously there's a vacancy that needs to be filled, and I can't think of a better man for the job.
Me?
Yeah, I want you to be the head of TFAD. Now, before he transferred, Greer made this read book for you. You could be on the 7th floor before you're 40.
Thank you, sir.
라이언의 모스크바행을 암시하며 잭 라이언의 첫 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 첩보물의 기본기를 묵직하고 탄탄하게 다져나간 클래식한 작품 아마존 프라임 비디오 시리즈 잭 라이언 시즌 1이었습니다. CIA 분석관이 현장으로 뛰어드는 구조 자체는 수없이 반복된 장르의 문법과도 같지만 중동 테러 조직의 움직임을 추적하는 과정에서 서류와 데이터 속 단서들이 현장의 총성과 연결되는 순간마다 훌륭한 긴장감을 쌓아나갔습니다. 존 크레신스키는 오피스 시리즈에서의 코믹한 이미지와 달리 냉정하고 원칙적인 CIA 요원의 얼굴로 완전히 변신해 지적인 분석력 과 현장 액션의 균형을 잘 보여줬고요. 한동안 제대로 된 첩보 스릴러를 못 보셨다면 분명 좋은 선택으로 남을 잭 라이언 시리즈의 첫 번째 시즌은 아마존 프라임 비디오에서 만나보실 수 있습니다. 감사합니다.